Howard, hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here on a very cold day in January. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Mr. Howard, you inquired about this exact 2018 Elantra with the value package on it. This is the one you inquired about, the stock number. That the value package gives you the aluminum wheels, it's cloth interior, power windows, power door lock, keyless remote entry. You do have on this particular vehicle here the sunroof, and you get the push button start. Android and Apple Play capability. It is a 4-cylinder that gets 37 miles to the gallon on the highway, runs on 87 octane. Comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain. We double that powertrain warranty at no cost and no strings attached to the dealerships to 20 years, 200,000 miles. You also get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, I am Tony Finley. I'm your preferred salesman here, so it's very important that you give me a call at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my cell at 205-335-3988. Give me a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in and test drive this vehicle. Go over the vehicle, make sure it's exactly what you want. I guarantee you great service and a great price here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Happy New Year's, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas.